Dear learners, my name is Muhammad Sattar, Assistant Professor of English, HPPC Government First Grade College, Chalakere. Victorian Literature Part 2, Program BA, Subject Optional English, Semester 5th, Davangere University, Session 48. Recap: Mr. Pocket's qualification, invitation to dinner party at Jagger's residence, a message for Miss Havisham and hope in Pip's heart. There is a moment of suspense when Pip recognizes one of the two convicts. Introduction: a wild beast tamed, a welcome message to analyze the students to understand the complexities of human character, the development of plot in the fiction. Victorian Literature Part 2 Learning Objectives: to make the students to understand Pip's passion in the novel, to make the students to understand if Miss Havisham's intention to give Estella's hand to him in marriage, to make students Estella's confession and she was happy there she offered her hand to Pip, make students to understand firstly Pip finds Orlick working there as a porter, secondly he meets Mr. Jaggers there, to make the students to understand Pip to receive Estella in London. Session's outcome: students will be able to know Pip's passion, students will be able to know to explain Pip's intention Havisham to give Estella's hand to him in marriage. The students will be able to describe Estella's confession and she was happy there she offered her hand to Pip. The students will be able to express Pip's finds Orlick working there as porter. Secondly, he meets Mr. Jaggers there. The students will be able to examine Pip to receive Estella's in London. Contents: Pip's passion for Estella. If Miss Havisham's intention to give Estella's hand to him in marriage, Estella's confession and she was happy there she offered her hand to Pip. Firstly, Pip finds Orlick working there as porter. Secondly, he meets Mr. Jaggers there. Pip to receive Estella in London. Pip's passion for Estella. Pip got ready to visit Miss Havisham's house. If Miss Havisham's intention to give Estella's hand to him in marriage, Orlick, the new porter at Miss Havisham's house, meeting with Miss Sarah Pocket. On entering the house, Pip first saw Sarah Pocket. Estella's confession: Estella was happy there she offered her hand to Pip. Jaggers there also. Miss Havisham's strange exhortation to Pip. Pip's uneasiness on account of Jaggers' presence. Two incidents to upset Pip. Miss Havisham's vindictive feelings. Two incidents to upset Pip. Firstly, Pip finds Orlick working there as a porter. Secondly, he meets Mr. Jaggers there. Miss Havisham's vindictive feelings. Miss Havisham wants that Estella torture for male hearts as possible. Pip insulted by Travis Boy. When Pip walks to catch coach for London, he encountered Travis Boy. Pip is insulted by him. Herbert, already aware of Pip's passion for Estella, Pip told Herbert that he was in love with Estella. Herbert's optimistic predictions about Pip. Herbert advised to Pip to feel optimistic about his love for Estella. Pip, unable to detach himself from Estella, Pip said that it was not possible for him to forget Estella. Herbert's love for Clara. Herbert said to Pip that he loved Clara. A visit to theatre. Pip and Herbert went to watch Hamlet, in which Mr. Wopsle rolled off the hero. Some unimportant incidents in this chapter. A superfluous chapter. Fun at the theatre. Meeting with Wopsle. A humorous account of performances. Pip to receive Estella in London. Visit to Newgate. Estella's arrival to London. The moves from here. Condition in prison described. Characterization beautifully described. With whom Pip has passion. Pip has passion with Clara, with Biddy, with Estella, with Miss Kiffins. And the answer is Pip has passion with Estella. Who is the new porter at Miss Havisham's house? Orlick, Pip's Pocket, Startup. And the option is Orlick. With whom did Estella confess? With Pip, with Pocket, with Orlick, with Startup. Answer is with Pip. How many incidents upset Pip? 2, 2 incidents, 3 incidents, 4 incidents, 5 incidents. And the answer is 2 incidents. With whom did Herbert has love? With Biddy, Clara, Estella, Skiffins. And the answer is with Clara. So here are some assignments for you. Write Pip's passion for Estella. Discuss if Miss Havisham intention to give Estella's hand to him in marriage. Explain Estella's confession and she was happy. There she offered her hand to Pick. Draw the situation. Pip to receive Estella in London. So here are the references. Humphrey House, The Dickens World, Dorothy Van Ghent, The English Novel, F.R. Lewis, Dickens, The Novelist, Philip Collins, Dickens and Education, Dickens in and Crime, Charles Dickens, Great Expectation by Ramji Lal, A Critical Study.